slowly, very, very. Slowly, very, very. These are called adverbs. इनको क्या बोलते हैं? Shrana, look at the board. These are called adverbs. Two adverbs बोलते हैं. देखो, इसने क्या किया? She ran. अब वो दौड़ी, ठीक है? She ran. But वो कैसे दौड़ी? She ran slowly. Slowly run किया. दौड़ी थी she. But कैसे? Slowly. It's very cold. ठीक है, ठंड है. It's cold. But कैसी ठंड है? Very cold means बहुत ठंड है. Third, she ran very slowly. अब ये slowly था. अब ये she ran slowly, वो धीरे दौड़ी. She ran very slowly, वो बहुत धीरे. She ran, वो दौड़ी. Now these underlined words are called adverbs. अब इसने क्या किया? First look at this first sentence. She ran slowly. अब ran क्या है? Verb है. ठीक है, तो इस स्लोली में क्या किया? वर्ब में कुछ ऐड किया, उसको मॉडिफाई किया. मींस शी रैन, दौड़ी तो वो है, बट कैसे? स्लोली. तो इस स्लोली में क्या किया? इस वर्ब में कुछ ऐड किया. सेकंड सेंटेंस, इट्स वेरी कोल्ड. अब कोल्ड क्या है? कोल्ड क्या है बताओ? प्रत्युष कहाँ देख रहे हो तुम?
मैम कोल्ड.
Cold is an adjective. Okay, cold क्या है? Adjective. अब it's very cold. अब इस very में क्या है? इस cold means इस adjective को adjective में कुछ add किया, modify किया. Third, she ran very slowly. अब slowly क्या था? Already adverb था. तो अब इस very में क्या किया? इस adverb में भी कुछ add किया. तो meaning is कि this adverb क्या होता है? Which modifies, which adds to the verb, to the adjective, to some another adverb. Okay, हम adverb बोलते हैं. समझ में आया? Adverb क्या? Verb. Abhimanyu, what makes you laugh? Adverb is a word which adds something to a verb, to an adjective, to some another adverb. दूसरे adverb में भी जो कुछ add करता है उसको हम बोलते हैं adverb. Okay, इसको बहुत हंसी आ रही है. Yeah, one more sentence was there. आप अपनी उसमें देखना notes में. One more sentence was there. Adverb क्या करता है? ये modify करता है verb को. Adverb is a word. You can say adverb is a word which modifies a verb, another adverb, adjective or the whole sentence. उसमें कुछ add करता है. अब इसमें था she ran slowly, दौड़ी है वो slowly, लेकिन कैसे? Slowly था means verb था, ठीक है? पर उसे कैसे किया? Slowly, very slowly, धीरे. Adverb लगा पता? पहले ये बताओ.
Yes,
लगा पता सुरेश? Okay, Sharana will tell. Sharana, what is an adverb? बताओ क्या होता है adverb? Sharana.
something.
Yes. Sharana, what is an adverb? Anshika. Anshika.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell with example?
Yes, beta.
If I say that, ma'am, this is ice cream, and if I say this is very ice cream, ma'am, when I add very, ma'am, it's called.
Okay, because it is adding. Just suppose, sorry, your first sentence was she ran slowly. Okay, तो ran था बेटे, आपने ये नहीं बोला तो मुझे लग रहा था ran. Okay, verb कौन है? run है ना? क्यों, क्या काम किया? दौड़ने का काम किया. Verb क्या होता है जो आपको बताता है what the subject is doing? वो क्या होता है? Verb. हाँ, वो क्या होता है? Verb होता है. अब she ran slowly sentence was, लेकिन ran क्या? वो था verb. क्यों? वो तो slowly तो नहीं था, slowly तो adjective था, ठीक है? Adverb था, sorry. और मेन आपने क्या याद रखना है, जो ly से खत्म होते हैं, some adjectives they are, some adverbs are formed from adjectives, और वो ly पर खत्म होते हैं, they are also called
Ma'am,
adverbs,
can I
but
tell
सारे नहीं होते हैं.
adverb?
Yes, Akshita.
Ma'am, suppose I can tell that it's very good. Ma'am, then the verb adverbs modifies.
ओके बस ठीक है, वेरी गुड. ठीक है, तो एडवर्ब ने क्या किया, ऐड कर दिया किसी वर्ब में, टू सम वर्ब, टू सम एडजेक्टिव और कोई अनदर एडवर्ब, और द होल सेंटेंस उसमें कुछ ऐड करता है. सपोज आई से she is suppose I say Sia is a beautiful girl, suppose मैंने ऐसा बोला, लेकिन मैंने बोला Shia is a very beautiful girl या extremely beautiful girl. अब Sia is a noun, ठीक है, गर्ल इज अ नाउन. अब वो गर्ल सुंदर है, ठीक है, एडजेक्टिव ब्यूटीफुल है, बट वो कैसी, शी इज एक्सट्रीमली ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत और ऐड कर दिया, एडिट, ओके, इट मॉडिफाइड कि बहुत ज्यादा सुंदर है. अब तानिया, सपोज तानिया इज एन इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल, इफ आई से तानिया इज अ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल, अब ये भी एडजेक्टिव हो गया. अब सपोज आई से वर्ब को देखते हैं, तानिया राइट्स अ लेटर, ठीक है, तानिया राइट्स अ लेटर, तानिया एक लेटर लिखती है. अब राइट क्या है, वर्ब है. तानिया राइट्स वेरी स्लोली अ लेटर. अब तानिया लेटर लिखती है, बट कैसे लिखती है, स्लोली लिखती है. मींस इस वर्ड ने क्या किया, उसको ऐड कर दिया, मॉडिफाई कर दिया. ओके, एडवर्ब इज क्लियर. Shall we move to kinds of adverbs? अब हम देखते हैं kinds of adverbs. What are the different kinds of adverbs? First is, अब हम what we will do adverbs. और सबसे पहले मैं आपको easy सा करवाती हूँ, manner. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. 7 types are there. No, sorry, 6 types. Adverbs of manner. आपने क्या देखना है, ly होगा, it means it is an adverb, but सभी नहीं होते हैं, exceptions are there. Adverbs of manner क्या बताता है आपको, अब आपने वो पेज सामने नहीं रखा है. It indicates how the action has taken place, means काम कैसे हुआ है. Adverbs of manner indicates how the action has taken place, कैसे काम हुआ, slowly हुआ है, या बहुत तेज हुआ है, या धीरे हुआ है, या easy हुआ है. Okay, adverbs of manner indicates how the action has taken place. Okay, let me write. It indicates how the action has taken place. How action has taken place means काम कैसे हुआ है, how the action has taken place. Examples, they found bravely. First, she ran fast. Okay. They fought bravely, she ran fast, he came quickly. He came quickly. Up. Tanya, you tell me what are adverbs in this? Adverbs of manner tells us how the action has taken place, means काम कैसा हुआ है, कैसे काम हुआ है. तो Tanya, what is adverb in this first sentence? Yes, Tanya. Bravely. Okay, this is bravely. They fought means वो लड़े, but कैसे लड़े, बहादुरी से, bravely. So bravely is an adverb. It is modifying this. ये क्या चीज है, fought क्या चीज है तानिया? What is this fought?
लड़ना.
लड़ना it is, but you tell me this bravely, this adverb is what, किसको modify कर रहे हैं, किसमें add कर रहा है?
मैम
Fought में means verb में add कर रहा है, वो लड़े they fought, but कैसे? Bravely, बहादुरी से, so it is modifying this verb. Fought. Second, Kriti, 1 2 5 1. Kriti, second in the second sentence, what is an adverb?
मैम फास्ट.
Kriti, fast. She ran fast. Okay. How the action has taken? कैसा काम हुआ? तेज काम हुआ. She ran fast. Okay. Sumesh, तुम बताओ. Third. Quickly. He came quickly. Okay. वो आया, but कैसे आया? Quickly, जल्दी जल्दी आया. He came. So this is all adverb of manner. Adverb of manner क्या बताता है? It indicates how the action has taken place. काम कैसे हुआ है? काम slow हुआ है, काम तेज हुआ है, काम बहादुरी से. Action कैसा हुआ है? Okay. So adverbs of manner must be bravely, quickly, easily, bravely, quickly, fast, easy. So they are called your adverbs of manner. ठीक है? योगेश, adverbs manner.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या लगा हुआ था? 1 6 are there. 1 you have done. That is adverbs of manner, and now we will do adverbs of time. Okay. अब adverb of time क्या बताता है? क्या बताता है? You can write when the action has taken place. Okay. When the action means when the
मैम टाइम ऑफ एक्शन.
हाँ, adverbs of time. Write down adverbs of time. It indicates the time of action or when the action has taken place. Time of action. Okay, when the action has taken place or time of action is same. Now let me write some sentences.
मैम कैनरी అంటే मैम in a verb there are only 5 types.
से भेजा है, मैंने सेंड किया है. दैट इज फ्रॉम माय ग्रामर बुक ना. ठीक है, आपकी बुक से नहीं था, ग्रामर बुक से, क्योंकि ग्रामर बुक में वो ज्यादा क्लियर था, तुम्हें ज्यादा समझ में आ जाएगा. अब अपनी बुक से करते तो, अपनी बुक से सपोज अगर आप करते तो इट वाज बस ये डायरेक्ट लिख दिया है कि आई रियली डोंट केयर. देखिए यहाँ पर तुम्हें ऐसे समझ नहीं आ रहा. यू टेल मी दिस थिंग, ऐसा आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है?
मैम समझ आ रहा है.
मैम समझ आ रहा है.
मैं जो ग्रामर जो तुम्हारा पोर्शन है, मोस्टली आई डू इट फ्रॉम योर फ्रॉम माय ग्रामर बुक. मेरे पास जो ग्रामर बुक्स हैं मैं उसी से करवाती हूँ, क्योंकि उसमें ज्यादा क्लियर है. अब इसमें आपको छोटा सा टॉपिक है. अब तुम्हें एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर क्लियर हो गया. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर क्या होता है? अब नाउ हिंट्स आर गिवन. देखो यहाँ पर आपने लिखा है ब्यूटीफुली, टेरिबली, हैप्पीली, सैडली. ओके, अब ब्यूटीफुली, टेरिबली, हैप्पीली, सैडली सेंटेंसेस आर नॉट हियर ना. अब we are doing adverbs of time. It indicates when the action has taken place or it indicates the time of action. Action कब हुआ था, काम कब हुआ था, ये कौन बताता है? adverbs of time बताता है. Sentences: he will come back soon. He will come back soon. He will come back soon. Second, they are still.
Ma'am, he is so.
Okay, time of. Okay, he is now going to Delhi. कर लो. He is now going to Delhi. He is now going to Delhi. Okay, now time of action क्या बताता है? It indicates the time of action. Aryan, he will come back soon. बताओ time of action क्या लग रहा है आपको? पता कौन सा टाइम बता रहा है? वो वापस आ जाएगा, वो जल्दी ही वापस आ जाएगा.
मैम soon.
Soon. He will come back soon. Soon It indicates the time of action. Means वो कब वापस आ जाएगा? वो जल्दी वापस आ जाएगा. Aryan second बताओ. They are still here.
Ma'am, still.
They are still here. What is adverb in this sentence? Aryan.
Ma'am, here.
Aryan. Aryan, what is adverb in this sentence? They are still here. कहाँ कौन से word से आपको लग रहा है कि time बता रहे हैं? What word is telling the time? सुमेश. Still means वो अभी तक यही है. Time बताया कि नहीं अभी तक वो यही है. श्रवण.
मैम
Third.
सबसे पहले मैम still बोला था.
Still okay.
मैम पीछे से डिस्टर्बेंस आ रही है मैम मेरी.
He is
मैम नाउ.
now going to Delhi. Now going to Delhi. तो adverbs of इसने क्या बताया आपको? Adverbs of time indicates the adverbs of time it indicates the time of action. Manner clear हुआ? How the action has taken place. Easily हुआ.
मैम मुझे मैम
Adverbs of time
समझ नहीं आया.
Okay, adverbs of time it indicates the time of action. Means ये time बताता है कब काम कब हुआ. काम अभी हुआ, काम बाद में हुआ, काम अब जल्दी हुआ, लेट हुआ. Now, soon, जल्दी हुआ. Means ये time बताता है. He is now going to Delhi. अभी जा रहा, अभी जा रहा. Now. She has not returned. Means वो अभी तक वापस नहीं आई है yet. ये आपको टाइम है. Please don't come today. It also indicating the time means आज में please आज मत आना. Please don't come today. So this today is also indicating the time. These words, those were adverbs which indicates the time of action. They are called adverbs of time. जो time बताएंगे आपको जैसे yes, Sejal. Now come to next adverbs of place. दो adverbs clear हो गए. Manner और time का करेंगे adverbs of place. अब ये place क्या बताएगा? जगह. Where the action has taken place. Okay. Where the action has taken place. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place. It indicates where the action has taken place. अब ये क्या बन गया? Where the action काम कहाँ पर हुआ? काम क्या हुआ? यहाँ पर हुआ, वहां पर हुआ, नजदीक नियर हुआ, डाउन हुआ, कहाँ पर काम हुआ? Where the action has taken place. From sentence. ठीक है, sentence से clear होगा, ऐसे नहीं तो होगा. First sentence, we went up the hill. We went up the hill. The chair is near the table. The chair is near the table. Third, you should go there and meet him. You should go there and meet him. Now, अब Sejal.
Yes, मैम मैंने क्या लिखा है?
मैम
Wait a minute, Sejal. Wait a minute. Sejal turn is there. सीजन एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस क्या बताते हैं? वेयर द एक्शन हैज टेकन प्लेस मींस काम कहां पर हुआ है. वेयर द एक्शन. तानिया लाइन, तानिया सिट प्रॉपर्ली बेटा. From the first sentence, what is adverb in this first sentence?
मैम आप
Sorry, Sejan,
Ma'am,
3295.
मैम went
Went. Went क्या आता है? Went तो is a verb. Went तो verb है. Where the action has, काम कहाँ पर वो क्या लग रहा है? Tell me this thing कि we went up the hill.
मैम डॉक्टर मैम
Yes, हम कहाँ गए? Hill के वहाँ गए ऊपर. Yes, the second sentence बोलो.
the chair is मैम near
But a chair is a noun. Chair is a noun.
मैम नो मैम
Noun.
मैम near मैम near बोला.
Okay, the chair is near the table. Okay, chair कहाँ है? Table के पास है. Okay. Then Diksha, third sentence. We should go there and meet him. What is the adverb of place in this sentence? Diksha. 3057.
Yes,
There. Okay.
Yes मैम.
तो adverb आता है where the action is here, okay, here, there, here, for, ये सभी क्या है? They are all adverbs of place. जो मैंने grammar portion आपको जो send किया उसको please read करना, okay? But in 7th class and I don't think there will be any problem for you to understand.
Excuse me मैम.
Yes. Yes.
बनाओगे?
Sorry. What did you say? What did you say? Okay. Now very easy adverb is coming and you all are familiar with it. Okay. अब तुम्हें लग जाएगा पता कि कौन सा है. Fourth adverb is going on. Interrogative adverb. Pratyush.
Yes ma'am.
You can understand from this interrogative adverbs कौन से होंगे प्रत्युष? Interrogative adverb कौन से होंगे? प्रियांशी and दिव्यांश. प्रियांशी and दिव्यांश. Pratyush, you tell me this thing. Interrogative adverb is written. It means these adverbs are used to indicate what. और तुम्हें क्या लगता है interrogative adverb है? What does it mean? प्रत्युष, very easy बेटा. जब हमने tenses किए थे, we have read this thing कि what are interrogative sentences? Interrogative adverbs means they are used to ask questions. Interrogative is written. It means these adverbs are these adverse questions are there. वो interrogative adverb हो गए. वृद्धि, what are interrogative adverbs?
Interrogate adverbs in actions.
They are used to ask questions. Okay, they are called interrogative adverbs. Okay, now अब मैं देखती हूँ जिस बच्चे ने आंसर नहीं दिया ना वो आंसर देगा. शिवम सिंह राजपूत. शिवम सिंह, अब है शिवम सिंह. Okay. Interrogative adverbs, it means they are used to ask questions. Okay, questions पूछते हैं. They are used to ask questions. शुभम 1185. शिव ठाकुर, शानवी बेटा आपको चाहिए कि मैम मैं
Ma'am, can I
आप
tell?
तो कभी आंसर नहीं करोगे, मैम कैमरा नहीं ऑन करना है। बस ये 3-4 स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो खुद बोलते हैं कि मैम मैं आई, रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, this Shivam Singh Rajput, listen to me, Shivam Singh Rajput, Shiv Thakur, then Shubham 1885, Rishabh Chaudhary, Priyanshi and Divyansh, you all will give the answers. Interrogative adverbs means they are used to ask questions. Okay, names are clear. Interrogative. First is, why did you go there?
Ma'am,
These are used to ask question. Why? First is, why did you go there? Second is, where did you meet her? Where did you meet her? Where did you meet her? Third, when did she come here? When did she come here? Yes, Shivam.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Shivam. Shivam. Shivam is not. Shivam Singh. Shivam.
Ma'am, Harshit tell.
Okay, Harshit.
Ma'am, in first. Ma'am, in first, ma'am, why?
It is asking question. Why did you go there? तुम वहाँ पर क्यों गई? Okay, Arav Rana.
ma'am, can you tell? Ma'am, can entry का dog? Ma'am, can you tell?
बेटा Arav Rana, let Arav Rana speak. Arav Rana.
Yes, ma'am.
Arav Rana, second sentence. Tell me what is interrogative adverb? कौन सा interrogative adverb है?
Ma'am, third number.
Yes, second number.
Yes, ma'am. Where did you meet her? Ma'am, where did you?
Interrogative adverb means they are used to ask question. आप question किनसे पूछते हो? आप how are you? Where did you go? और how do you do? आप ऐसे इनसे question पूछना. What is your name? Why you went there? Why you come to school? Why you were so late? You ask question with this type of words ना. तो question किससे पूछ रहे हो आप? Second में देखो.
Ma'am, ma'am, where you meet her?
Where? Okay. Where?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashima
Aryan.
1420.
Yes, ma'am.
When did she come here?
Ma'am,
When did she come here? So interrogative.
Ma'am,
Yes, this is interrogative adverb. Okay. I mean interrogative adverb. They are used to ask questions. Okay. अब आपका time, manner, frequency. Okay. Interrogative is not given in your book. आप बोले थे 5 है. तो interrogative adverb was this. Interrogative adverb and then let's we ask questions. यहाँ पर wrap करते हैं once more. एक बार हम देखते हैं. Okay, who will summarize what we have done in the class? Who will tell me?
ma'am,
Ma'am, Akshi.
ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Aryan. Let me ask from Aryan. Aryan, yes. Aryan, what we have read yesterday? क्या पढ़ा Aryan? हमने किए हैं. Two we will do tomorrow. Aryan,
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me क्या हम
Ma'am, today we do adverb.
we did today. We did adverbs. Okay.
Ma'am,
Adverb.
adverb of manner. Ma'am, and
Adverb.
adverbs of time. Ma'am, and
Okay, adverbs of man.
interrogative adverb.
Okay, would you like to explain any adverb out of these 4 adverbs? Would you like to explain? क्या था adverbs of what was this adverb of manner?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Adverb of manner. Yes.
Ma'am,
अरे adverb of manner.
how the action has taken. Ma'am, adverbs of manner of the action has taken.
Place, how the action has taken place. Okay, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? How the action has taken place. Your answer is correct. In adverbs of manner हमें बताता how the action has taken place. But what does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या है? तो ठीक है, देखो अक्षर, राणा, वंशिका, डोगरा, वृत्ति और ये 4-5 स्टूडेंट्स के बार-बार आंसर पूछ रहे हैं।
मैम क्लास में डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी मैम। मैम कनेक्टिंग दोबारा।
शुभम बस ये 2-3 बच्चों से ही पूछना है। only 2 and 3 students will give the answers. What about others? Priyanshi and Divyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Priyanshi and Divyansh, what is adverbs of manner? क्या होता है? Tomorrow I will again ask, listen this thing, जो आज की है उसको read करना. Tomorrow we will do next 2 adverbs and after that we will do section. Okay? But you please read what I have sent, उसको read करो. Tomorrow I am going to ask. Okay, प्रत्युष से पूछ रहे थे. प्रत्युष, adverb of manner
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
होता है बेटा? Adverb of manner क्या होता है? What is adverb of manner?
Ma'am, she is beautiful. Ma'am, beautiful is adverb of manner.
Okay, adverb of time. Then what is adverb of time?
Ma'am, adverb of time जैसे ma'am today is my good day. Ma'am, today is my good day. Ma'am, today is adverb of time.
Adverb of time बताता क्या है? First of all, tell me this thing. What does it shows? क्या बताता है adverb of time?
Ma'am, can I tell?
It indicates the time of action. इसको read करना बेटा, ऐसे समझ नहीं आएगा. Listen this thing. Now listen बेटा, practice is very easy. Okay, हम आप इसको करने के बिना भी you can do this practice on 2. The sentences below are not correct. Choose the correct option to correct the underlined words. Okay, but अब अभी नहीं करेंगे, कल करेंगे. Anything you want to ask? Anything you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
तानिया को सब समझ में आ गया है. मीन्स तानिया ने तो नो कर दिया है. तानिया सब कुछ समझ में आ गया? तानिया